Hello. Most of us will see some wet and windy weather over the next 48 hours, but for many, Friday morning promises some fine weather. Yes, a bit chilly across the north, but there will be some sunshine around. Further south, we're already starting to see the cloud and the outbreaks of rain trickle in. A bit misty and murky to start the day across Shetland as well, but elsewhere across Scotland, a much brighter start. But it is pretty cold out there first thing, as it is for Northern Ireland, Northern England. These are the temperatures in towns and cities. In rural areas, start the day well down into single figures. Not quite as cold further south, because here we've got the cloud and the outbreaks of rain. A fairly soggy Friday morning rush hour on roads like the M5 and the M4. The brighter colours there suggesting the rain could be fairly heavy. We've got a band of rain then, which will slowly track its way northwards as we go through the day. Eastern England starting the day dry and bright, but the winds will be picking up, coming in from a rather chilly North Sea. The rain may persist for much of the day across parts of West Wales and the far southwest of England. The rain heading across the Midlands and northwest England before lunchtime. Some of that rain will creep into the east of Northern Ireland. But generally for Northern Ireland and much of Scotland, it's a dry and a bright day with sunny spells. Just a few showers in Scotland. And the rain not really getting to northeast England until quite late on. Further south, it should also brighten up for a time. We'll see some sunny spells, but that may then spark some fairly heavy showers. If it does brighten up across the south, temperatures could jump up to 17, 18 degrees. And it will be a warmer day across much of Scotland. A bit more sunshine here, certainly in the far north. Temperatures getting up into the mid to high teens, 20 degrees is possible across the Highlands. But stuck under this area of rain will struggle to get much above 11, 12, maybe 13 or 14 at best. That band of rain tracks northwards, and it's in this zone just to the south where we're a bit concerned about the downpours that are likely to break out through Friday afternoon and into the evening, particularly for the evening rush hour. Heading away for the weekend, bear in mind we do have a yellow warning in force for downpours in this zone across parts of southern England up into the Midlands and southeast Wales. In this zone, heavy, maybe thundery downpours, dropping a lot of rain in a short space of time that could cause some local flooding. So again, parts of the M4 and the M5 not very pleasant on Friday evening, but actually large swathes of the country seeing a lot of spray and surface water on the road, so not great for travelling. You can see that big swirl there. That's the area of low pressure sitting pretty much slap bang over us as we go into the weekend. That low pressure system will continue to slowly track its way northwards. Brought some very strong winds to parts of France and Spain during Thursday and early Friday, named by the Spanish meteorological organisation as Miguel. Now, it's not as intense as it crosses the UK, but it's still an area of low pressure that will bring wet and windy weather, and it's only slowly heading its way northwards, so it lasts through most of Friday night and well into the weekend. The rain will spread northwards, so after seeing some brighter spells in Scotland on Friday, we will see that rain arriving on Friday night and probably still around on Saturday too, particularly across southern and eastern parts. Again, parts of the Highlands may well be dry and bright with some sunny spells. Rain then on and off through much of Wales, showers for northern England, southern England, although in the south, I think it will overall be a brighter day on Saturday compared to Friday. Still pretty blustery though, some gusty winds, unusually strong winds for the time of year. And with those winds, even though we'll see some sunny spells, temperatures are going to struggle somewhat, particularly if you're stuck under this thicker clouds with outbreaks of rain across eastern Scotland, parts of northern England. Temperatures will again really be struggling through the day. So we may creep into the high teens with a bit of sunshine, but for most places we're looking at 12 to 15 degrees on Saturday. That's going to feel rather cool. Sunday, well, the winds will be a bit lighter. Temperatures could be a little bit higher, but still generally below average. There'll be some sunny spells on Sunday, but also continue to expect some fairly heavy showers. So lots going on. Make sure you keep up to date with the very latest forecasts. The best way you can do that is by following us on social media.